Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a group email in Pipedrive in just 3 minutes. If you've ever needed to reach several contacts at once without jumping into a separate email tool, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it clearly and confidently. This method keeps all your communications in one place, making it easier to track interactions, follow up, and stay organized without leaving Pipedrive. First, open Pipedrive and head straight to your contacts. You'll find contacts on the left-hand bar. This is the main directory of people and organizations you work with, including leads, clients, and partners. Before you send anything, take a moment to glance through your list. Use the search bar if needed to quickly locate specific individuals, or filter by tags, groups, or deal stages. Confirm you're looking at the right people. Accuracy here ensures your message reaches the intended audience. It also helps to have a clear goal. Maybe you're announcing a new feature, sending a reminder, or following up after an event, so you know exactly who should be included. Setting a purpose ensures your communication is relevant and actionable. Next, select the recipients. Check the boxes next to the people you want to include in the group email. Be thoughtful here. Only choose contacts who should receive this message. Consider any preferences or consent requirements you follow for email communications, like opting out of newsletters or respecting GDPR rules. Selecting carefully keeps your outreach relevant and respectful, while also improving engagement rates and reducing the chance of unsubscribes. Once you've made your selection, look to the top of the list and click Send Group Email. This button is your shortcut to create one message that's individually delivered to multiple recipients. It's not just convenient, it helps maintain a professional appearance, as each contact receives a personalized email instead of a generic mass message. Keeping everything inside Pipedrive also allows your activity to be automatically tracked alongside deals, notes, and previous communications, which is extremely useful for reporting and follow-ups. Now, compose your email or choose a template if you already have one saved. Start with a clear subject line that grabs attention and a friendly greeting. If your template supports personalization, you can pull in fields like first name, company, or deal stage to make each email feel one-to-one, even when sent to many people. Keep your message concise and focused on a single purpose, and make sure it's crystal clear about any next steps you want readers to take. For example, if you're sending a follow-up after a demo, include a clear call to schedule a meeting or provide feedback. If you need to, you can attach a file, insert a link, or add images. It's always a good idea to proofread before sending. Check that your tone matches your relationship with the recipients, all placeholders are correct, and any links or attachments work properly. When everything looks good, click Send, and you're done. Your message goes out to all the selected contacts, and you can move on with your day knowing your communication is consistent, professional, and fully tracked. This approach not only saves time, but also ensures that all stakeholders or team members stay informed in a tidy and organized manner. That's all it takes. Click Contacts on the left bar, select the people you want, hit Send Group Email, compose or choose a template, and send. With this simple flow, you'll save time, maintain brand consistency, and keep your outreach tidy inside Pipedrive, while making sure every message is accurate, personalized, and easy to track. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.